Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a 12-hour endurance race featuring the Tamiya TT-02R chassis. So on October 3rd, 2015, the inaugural 12 hours of Tamiya endurance race was held at Tamiya America's track in Aliso Viejo, California. 14 teams of 5 were each handed a Tamiya TT-02 Type R 4-wheel drive kit. Within 3 hours, they had to build the chassis, followed by approximately 2 hours to fine-tune and prep for the race start. The race kicked off at 12:07 p.m. and ran straight through until 12:07 a.m. the next day. The TT-02 proved itself a reliable and beginner-friendly platform. It made 2,205 laps in total over the 12 hours, roughly 187 miles of continuous racing. The captain of the winning team and current owner of Revelation Raceway looked to revive the 12-hour endurance race format. On Saturday, October 4th, 2025, Revelation Raceway will host its first annual Tamiya 12-hour endurance race. It will feature the tried and true Tamiya TT-02R chassis. 11 teams of 3 to 5 members will compete for the coveted title again. The race format is simple. Teams build and race a single car for 12 hours. The team with the most lap wins. The entry fee will be $475 and the deadline is September 6, 2025. You can either sign up in person over the phone at 909-628-9909 or through their email revhobbyshop@gmail.com. There's a limit of 11 teams and each team will receive the following: a Tamiya TT-02R chassis kit, a Tamiya body from the approved list, which I'm going to go over, a Hobby Wing 1060 ESC, a Tamiya RS 540 torque tune spec motor, a set of track spec tires, and 2 days or nights of practice on the track. Let's talk about the 10 body shells each team can choose from. They're going to be the Motul Alltech Z, Tamiya part number 51731, Tom's GR Supra 51678, Toyota GR Supra 51622, Motul Alltech GTR 51584, AMG GT3 51590, Raikiri 51585, McLaren Senna 51693, Raybrig NSX 51563, Subaru BRZ R&D 51575, and the Mustang GT4 51614. I have here the winning car from the 2015 race. Garen was kind enough to lend it to me to make this video. So this is a TT-02R chassis built according to the manual. The layout is very simple. This is the servo. He has the receiver mounted on top. I believe this is a Tamiya TBLE02S ESC. And he has changed the Tamiya plug to a Dean's connector. You are allowed to do that to accommodate the battery you're using. You'll notice he also spliced the lighting to this as well. And he's running a motor fan on the torque tune motor. He's using the Tamiya LED light unit. It comes with 2 white headlights, the controller, and 2 red tail lights. There's a lot more to go over, including the schedule, car assembly, and race rules. I'll have a link to the rest of the race details in the description below. I will put out other videos leading up to the race. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.